Hello, welcome to WAEC Academy. For today, we are going to be drawing the orthographic projection of this figure you are seeing at the right hand side of the screen in first angle projection. Let me show you how the orthographic projection of the figure will look like. Alright, this is what I'll be seeing. This is my orthographic projection. If you see the diagram at the right corner of the screen at this point, the arrow is facing this point. So wherever the arrow is facing is called the elevation. So this is my elevation, this is my plan, and this is my side view. Looking at this from this point, I'll be seeing this. Looking at this one from this angle here, I'll be seeing this. From the top, I'll be seeing this guy. So let's draw the orthographic projection. To draw an orthographic projection, let's draw our orthographic ABUBAKAR. So take it this way, right? Also, I'll take it down this way. So, having done that, I'll take my compass. What we are doing is called orthographic ABUBAKAR. So measure 1 centimeter. At this point, take it 1, 2, 3, and 4 this way. With the help of my set square, I'll take it up to the same up this way. Also take this up to. Then I'll take this guy this way. This is square. Right, so take it square this way. This point 1. Then do this way. Also at this point 2, extend it down this way. So what I just did now is called the orthographic ABUBAKAR, right? So this is my orthographic. This is my first quadrant here. This is my second quadrant here. This is my third quadrant and my fourth quadrant at this point. Now listen, please. I want to draw the first angle projection. So this is my first angle. This is my elevation here. So it will be up here or this point, any of the two. But I'm choosing this point. So from the diagram, sorry, if you don't know how to draw this figure, I will draw the link on how to draw this figure on this video description. So check the video description. You see the video on how to draw this figure. Now let's start. The dimension from this point to this point is given to be 60 from the question. From this point to this point is 30. From this point to this point here, from here to here is 10. Here to this point here too is 10. Here is going to be 10. Right? This height here is 20. Right? I have 20 there. So let's start drawing out the figure. Now, if you observe, this figure is facing like this. So anything I'm doing will be facing like this. So drawing my elevation first. The height from here to here is what? What is here, which is 20. So I'll measure 20 as my height. So from here to here is 20. I'll take in it. Having done that, the entire length from here to here is 60. So measure 60 on my meter rule. 60 from here to this point is 60. I'll take in it. Right? I'll take in that point. Also, I'll take my t-square this way. Take its faint line upward. Right? So I will take my set square. I will draw a vertical line to connect this. As you can see. Also, I will take it down this way. The thick line. So that is my elevation. But if you observe closely, if I look at this figure here, I'll be seeing an ending line. Let me show you this line here. You know, if you look at it this way, you can't see this line. So this line here is this line you are seeing ending, right? So we said from here to here is 10. From here to here is 10. So from here, somewhere here, measure 10. So from somewhere here to here is 10. So at that 10, I will draw my leading line to show that I can't see this figure, this line here. If I look at it at this way, so leading line. So I have successfully draw out my elevation. Let's draw out the plan, which is this guy here. To draw out the plan, simply take your elevation all the edge downward. Take this one too, including this leading line downward. As you can see, from this point to this point is given to be this point to this point, which is 30. So I'm going 30. From this point here to this point is 30. I'll taking it. Also, don't need to measure this. Just close this part up, alright, and also close this part up. These two parts is these two parts here. Now observe, from here to here is 10. As you can see, here to here is 10, which is here to here is 10. So measure 10 at this edge here, measure 10 at this second edge, measure 10, right? So without even stressing myself, I'll close this part up. I'll also close this part up. So I'll take this way. So I have successfully draw out my plan. This is my elevation, my plan. So to get my side view or perhaps end view, what do? I'll take my 45-degree set square. I mean this one. This center here, I will put it there, and I will draw a faint line downward. So I'm done with this. So this is what I will do here. All this edge here, I'll transfer it to that 45-degree. I do this one too. I'll transfer it down to this point. I'll transfer this point here to down. So all those points I've transferred, I'll take them upward. Take this point here, upward. Take this point here too, upward, and take this last point here too, upward. Also do the same thing here. I'll connect the edge point to this last point here. Nothing again. So now, with the help of my, I haven't done your elevation and plan. Without measuring anything, your side view will produce itself out himself. How? Year to year is year to year. Taking it is taking. Observe, I'll taking it. From this point to this point is same thing as this point to this point here. This to this, which is this to this. I'll taking it. Also, I'll taking this point here too. Also with this point here too. Observe, I'll close this part here. I'll close this part here together. You see, without measuring anything at this point, if you correctly draw your elevation and your plan very well, without measuring anything, your plan will produce itself out, as you can see. So if you have found this class helpful, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to WAEC Academy. Thanks for watching.